Hiya, welcome to Man Cave Hobbies, and today I'm going to show you how to build and make your own 3D printed FPV drone. So, and the tools what we need to actually build this thing. So I'll start off with the Quad. It's the X5 Explorer by Cyma. That's not been opened yet. It's a brand new drone, so I'll have to strip it all down and take all the innards out and transfer them over to the 3D printed drone. A soldering iron, you need a glue gun, batteries, some more glues, some soldering iron equipment, a drill, some files, screw bits, Velcro, some pliers, scissors and a knife. Also the FPV camera and the 3D printed drone itself. So this one is, I printed it in marble and it looks really cool. I don't know if you can see that, the marble effect. Let's get cracking and open this box. So let's take this apart. So we don't need this no more. Put it over there. And this is what you got left. So you got your PCB board, all your 4 motors, and your 4 LEDs. This is for your FPV camera, and that's for your battery. So all we need to do now is take the 3D printed quad and transfer all that into this. So here we go. So first things first is make sure that the PCB board is facing away from you, because if you put it the wrong way around it won't fly. So I know for a fact that the battery is the back with the switch and the aerial is the front. So I managed to get all the motors and landing gear in, just a little file down on each hole, and then went in perfect. So push it a bit more, make sure that's in, yeah. And off camera, and what I did was I glued the switching there, because we need a switch, but we don't need a switch. The switch is always going to be on, so because this is going to use the battery connector to power the drone on and off. I hot glued the camera connector and hot glued the battery power connector. So all I've got to do now is glue the LEDs to the bottom of the arms and tie back all the wires. And there we go, she fires up. So next test, I'll go into Man Cave and see if she'll fly.